An image that seemingly shows the birth certificate of US Vice President Kamala Harris is being shared on social media platforms with the claim that she is ineligible to hold office as the President of the United States of America because she was born to non-American parents in the USA. This claim and this image have been viral on social media since at least 2019. A keyword search to understand the citizenship laws regarding children born to legal or illegal immigrants in the USA led to a document titled Myths and Facts About Birthright Citizenship, shared on the American Immigration Council's official website. According to this, children of both legal and illegal immigrants born in the United States are US citizens by virtue of being born on US soil. According to information available on the White House's website, Kamala Harris was born in Oakland, California. This makes it clear that she is a citizen of the USA as she was born there regardless of her parents' citizenship at the time of her birth. Further search to learn about the qualification requirements to run for public office, specifically for the office of President in the United States of America, led to the website of the US Constitution, which includes an article regarding qualifications for the presidency. The fifth clause of Article 2 lists 3 requirements for a person to run for president. This states that one must be a US citizen, at least 35 years old, and have resided in the US for at least 14 years. According to information available on the White House's website, Harris was born in Oakland, California. She graduated from Howard University and the University of California Hastings College of Law and has been working in public offices since 1990. So she is not only a US citizen but has also been residing in the country for over 14 years and is therefore eligible to hold the office of President of the USA. To sum up, as Kamala Harris is a citizen of the United States of America and is eligible to hold the office of US President, this post is fake. Join our YouTube membership program and be a part of the journey of making public data meaningful. And remember, before you hit that forward button, pause.